What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories, and today the question actually is very short, sounds like this. Kenny wanted to ask if account is under R&R, does it make client difficult to apply for new loans? R&R here stands for not rest and relax, is reschedule and restructuring. Okay, reschedule and restructuring. There's a difference between these two terms, but what you need to know is that once you are in this reschedule or restructuring, right, in your secrets, they'll put there reschedule a word R. You go and print your secrets from Bank Negara there, you get the word R, the letter R. R here means is reschedule or restructure the terms. And when the bank sees this, right, it's automatically rejected. Even though you have been paying diligently, it's automatically rejected until you get it out. Okay? This can be things like, the most common one is reschedule a loan, meaning to add the tenure. Example, let's just say you're supposed to finish in 20 years, but you find that repayment is too high, so you tell the bank, can I reschedule the loan, add more time, I need to manage my cash flow. So the bank will say, okay, I add 10 more years to your loan, then I will reduce your monthly installment. So what the bank happens is that the bank will tag in your secrets R, reschedule. So you go any banks, right, loan automatically rejected. It doesn't matter what loan you apply, automatically rejected. You cannot get loan until you settle this reschedule or restructuring. Okay, that's all for this question. Hope it helps. So bottom line, if once you are in R&R, you are not allowed to take any loans at all until you settle it.